Let's talk about what just happened to Bitcoin. Alright everybody, my name is Michael Whitman. Please consider subscribing. This is the story of the night. I'm so sorry if you guys were asleep during it. I know we had a lot of people on the stream last night, but this 5-month-long trend line that we've been holding, we weren't able to hold it. We had hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidations and shorts hopping at the same time. It caused a massive crash that took place in all about an hour. It was that fast of a thing. We managed to get back up here a little bit at the moment. We managed to hold a couple of these Fibonacci levels, but it's not looking too good at the moment. If you guys didn't have a stop loss here for the breakdown, this is what you guys are going to be looking to do. We'll be looking at the 4-hour and the daily chart today. First of all, if you don't want to panic sell at this moment, you don't really know where Bitcoin's going. The next thing you guys want to be waiting for, if you guys are looking to put money in, you guys could buy right now for later if you wanted to. Most people are going to wait until we break back above this trend line. That means we're going to be getting out of this downtrend here. Right now, this downtrend is pretty darn nasty. It's not looking too good. You saw the flat out just like chaos that happened last night. And again, if you guys were asleep, sorry for your portfolios there. But at the moment, you're just going to wait this bad boy up. If you guys are buying, you guys are going to be buying mostly for long-term holds. Until then, it's better just to wait, enjoy the market, kind of watch the ups and downs, maybe do a little bit of day trading. But if you guys are trying to do any type of swing trading right now and hold for multiple days, it's best that you wait for us to really find a floor. Then from there, just wait till we break out. That breakout, once we're out of that downtrend, the weight's going to be lifted from our shoulders, so to speak. That's what you really need to wait for. It's unfortunate. We all thought it was going to bounce up here. I thought it was going to try to hold at least a little bit better than what it did. I was not expecting so many leveraged positions to crash at one point. That really hit us hard. There was a lot of whales that were over leveraged, waiting for a breakout just like the rest of us, and they got hit hard. And when me and you lose a trade, we might just, sell out of it, or we might have a stop loss or something like that. Well, whales, when the price moves down so fast that they can't control it, something happens and it's called liquidation. Liquidation means the exchange or the broker, whoever supplied them with the capital to buy that much coin, they automatically say, whoa, this is getting too dangerous for us. We're automatically selling everything to make sure we don't lose any more money. And that's what just happened. You saw all that happen in a very fast time, along with shorts. They pile drive that sucker down and they made a bunch of money doing it. The longs lost a lot of money, of course. But for now, guys, if you guys are looking for the safe thing to do, the safe thing to not risk any more money, be patient and wait for us to break out. We still haven't broken out. We tried a bunch of times up here. This was our last attempt, it looks like. And now we're going to have to consolidate for a little bit. We're going to go back to those boring days of Bitcoin being a little bit more boring. We might have a few big days coming up in the next week or so, but for now, just wait it out. Again, if you want to buy for a long-term hold, feel free to do it. But at the moment, you really want to make sure this is looking okay. Because one thing that could happen here in the future is this could be a gigantic shoulder, a gigantic head, and then another shoulder over here. So we need to make sure when we rise back up here eventually, we understand that our high could be this Fibonacci level up here about 54,000. And if we start curling back down, we may see a full-on head and shoulders where Bitcoin ultimately comes back down to 30,000. Now, that's unlikely at this moment in time, but it's something you guys should have in the back of your head just in case, down the road. Okay. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart. Here on the 4-hour chart, I would suggest we still might have a little bit more room to come down here. We're trying to rebound a little bit, but you've been through this cycle before. We just got to oversold, bouncing back up. We have a strong chance of curling back down here. So again, that's why I say take a little bit of time, take a breath, wait it out. You guys will be fine. I know your portfolios are probably hurting too much, but remember guys, do not invest more money than you guys are willing to lose, because sometimes things don't work out. Sometimes the breakouts don't happen the way we want to. Look at that. We had so many opportunities for a breakout, but the bulls weren't there. And so as of now, overall, this is an okay thing for crypto. We needed a chance to reload, but man, this does hurt a lot of people out there. So just be careful, guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.